Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous videos, we learned about storage devices. Today, we will see input-output devices. Okay. So, the contents are introduction to input-output. What is input devices? What is output devices? Types of input devices and types of output devices. Today we will see the above three content. So, input and output devices allow the computer system to interact with the outside world by moving data into and out of the system. Clear? Input-output devices are usually called I/O devices. Those devices that are used to bring data into the system are known as input devices, while those devices who are used to send data from the system are known as output devices. Clear? Okay. These I/O devices are directly connected to an electronic module inside the system unit known as device controller or sometimes called device drivers. For example, the speakers of a multimedia computer system are directly connected to a device controller called an audio card. And this audio card used to connect the speaker with rest of the system. Now, there can be a different perception about the I/O devices based on the use and user. For a user, an I/O device is something outside of the system box. For a programmer, everything outside of the processor and main memory looks like an I/O devices. While for an engineer working on the design of a processor, everything outside of the processor is an I/O devices. Here we will see the perception of a layman user. So, what is input devices? As we know, computer cannot understand our language because it understands only machine language, which means in the form of 0 and 1. So, the devices is needed through which we can enter our data in our own language, and that device convert our data into machine language and then transfer to the computer. That devices are known as input devices. Clear? Whereas output devices is any hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Okay? Whatever the data are processed by the computer, the information is still in the form of 0 and 1. So, the device who convert these information in the form of human readable, then that devices are known as output devices. I think it is very clear to you what is input and what is output devices. These are some examples of input and output devices. Keyboard, joystick, scanner are in the category of input devices, while headphones, laser printer, monitor are in the category of output devices. Other than this, some devices are I/O devices, which means it works input devices as well as output devices. For example, web camera, modem, digital camera, touch screen, etc. That's all for today. Today we will learn I/O devices, introduction to input and output devices. In the next class, we will see types of input devices in detail. Thank you so much.